Hello, welcome to another one of my Far Cry 6 Lost Between Worlds videos. In these next couple of videos, I'm going to make that very short. The question has been asked, how do you get the tools? Over here, you notice all we've got is our cell phone. We need to get our grapple hook, we need to get the key, and we need to get the C4 explosive pack in order to open some of the shortcuts and get to some of the more advanced tools. More advanced weapons. Now, the easiest way to get these is to continue to go from shard to shard, and as you get each one of these shards taken care of, you will get another one of the tools or another piece of gear. It's all sort of random. So the question I've been asked a couple of times is, how do you get these tools? Well, you can get them without shards, and there's a methodology to this. And so we're going to get the first tool that's available to us with nothing extra involved in getting that other than just the willingness to take your basic weapons and fight your way through. What we are going to have to get to is the Light the Way rift, which is down over here. Got there very quickly by first going through the Fractured Fortress, heading out the orange side, getting to the Toxic Wasteland, and getting out the orange side as that as well. Now, in this endeavor to acquire the C4 explosive pack, Toxic Wasteland is my least favorite, as well as it's the most difficult way to get through it, to head out through the left or orange portal. It is situated behind two of the tougher fights within this realm, especially if you don't have any upgraded weapons at all. Now, I did that by getting the shotgun and the AKM-4 to start with, and then we picked up the pistol from within the Toxic Wasteland rift. If I had my choice, I would rather come through this with having the submachine gun and the shotgun, but for these purposes, the assault rifle did as equal a job as it's good to do. Now, that being said, where we're at is here in the Light the Way rift. You head through the very beginning of it, you fall into the water, you get out of the water, and you pick up, if you don't already have it, your assault rifle, which I already had. And now what we want to do is head into this first area. This first area is marked by having the light here, and we need to find our way across here. As you know, all we do is turn off the blue, turn the orange on, and we can get through here. There are 3 shard heads down here. I've already taken care of them, so I can walk around much more easily and show you what we need to do. So I came around the bottom, take out the shard heads, head into the little chamber. Now over here you see that the blue light is turned on. Well, don't turn off the blue light. Instead, turn on the orange or red light. I'm not sure whether this is red or orange. I call them both. What does red and blue make? Well, it makes purple, you might remember. And you can see here the purple light is on. Why did we do that? Well, if we climb back up again, we see we still can't get through over there. But if we head up the vines, you'll see that now we have a purple bridge leading across to this. This is going to be our C4 explosive pack. Another way of getting up here is with the grapple hook, but obviously you don't have it yet, but we will get that very shortly. So now we can climb up, and there it is.
Kind of alien bomb?
We now have the Fractal Bomb, C4, whatever you wish to call it. To get out of this, all that we need to do is head back across our purple path. head back down. We can very quickly run back into here. Since the red or orange ones. Sorry, wrong way. Let's try running over here. We'll turn off the blue light. Take a quick peek outside. You'll see we have an orange pathway leading us across. And we can continue on our way through this rift or simply go back to the beginning because we weren't interested in solving it, but rather to get our trade tools. Take a look at our... And you see that we have our Fractal Bomb. All that we need to do is to exit out of here or finish the rift, whichever case that you want to do. Check out part 2 as we get our second tool that we will need, the Fractal Bomb or C4 explosives, to acquire.